Hi there, and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. Let's create this interactive slider, so let's get started. First, select your frame. I will work on the desktop version. Now draw a rectangle covering the width of the frame. Now duplicate this rectangle 3 times. Let's fill in the rectangles with images. Here I am using Figma plugin Unsplash. Now type in the desired text. Make sure that the text is in exact same position in all 3 of the banners. You can check the position by clicking on the text and pressing Alt key. Now select all the rectangles, right click and convert it into frame selection. Now drag the frame to the left as shown in the video and check mark the clip content. Since we worked with 3 rectangles, we'll duplicate this 3 times. Now we will uncheck the clip content of frame 2 to reveal the rectangles. Now press Shift and the left arrow key to drag the rectangle to the left. Stop when the rectangle completely fits inside the frame. Now repeat the same with the third frame. Make sure you select all the contents of that frame and then press Shift. Now select all and convert it into component set. Now let's prototype it as according. Now let's design a web page. From the asset panel, place the component that we have just created. Now we'll place our logo and create the nav bar. By the way, I have changed my margin to 90. I have a detailed video already recorded on how to create the landing page. I will attach the video to the top right corner of the screen to check that out. And we are almost done. Here is the quick review. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.